वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट विथ लिक्विड सोप। तो आप कोई भी लिक्विड सोप यूज कर सकते हो और उससे आप सेल्स क्रिएट कर सकते हो। तो वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट द सेल्स विथ लिक्विड सोप फॉर दिस फ्लूइड आर्ट। So let's start, and the preparatory work, few preparatory work I have done. Now this is the pouring medium. One part of Fevicol and one part of water you have to mix and make a solution like this and create your pouring medium in a glass like this. So one part of एक चम्मच आप इक्वल क्वांटिटी में लीजिएगा, एक चम्मच फेविकॉल और एक चम्मच पानी मिला के उसका अच्छी से घोल बनाइए। इस घोल, इसको पोरिंग मीडियम बोलते हैं, बाजार में मिलता है, लेकिन आप अपना खुद का पोरिंग मीडियम बना सकते हो। यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन पोरिंग मीडियम। So mix one part of Fevicol and one part of water and create your pouring medium. So that is the preparatory work we have done. And then I have taken the liquid soap. The liquid soap is a bit thick, so you can mix half a teaspoon of water in that, and so that the liquid soap is in a little bit flowing condition and not thick. So I have mixed little bit of water in the liquid soap, and that also I have created and kept. Now we will start preparing the colors here. So you can choose your own color combination. So I am going to make the lady figure in one single color, white and blue, and the lady figure I am going to do white and magenta fluid art, and the men जो आदमी यहाँ पे है उसको मैं व्हाइट एंड ब्लू में करूंगी और हार्ट को मैं व्हाइट एंड रेड में करूंगी। आप कोई भी कलर कॉम्बिनेशन चूज कर सकते हो आपके हिसाब से। तो इसलिए हम 3 बॉटल्स यहाँ पे ले रहे हैं और व्हाइट भी हमें क्रिएट करना है। तो बेसिकली अभी पोरिंग मीडियम, नाउ यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर, अब आपको अपना पोरिंग मीडियम को कलर के साथ मिलाना है। तो आपको क्या करना है, 1 चम्मच पोरिंग मीडियम सब में डालेंगे हम। 1 चम्मच पोरिंग मीडियम में आप आधा चम्मच कलर डाल सकते हो और मैक्सिमम 1 चम्मच भी कलर डाल सकते हो, आपके ऊपर है, ठीक है। सो 1 चम्मच पोरिंग मीडियम में हमने 1 चम्मच व्हाइट कलर मिलाया, ठीक है। मिनिमम 1 मैक्सिमम 2 आप ले सकते हो, आपके ऊपर है। सो मैं व्हाइट हमें ज्यादा यूज होगा तो इसलिए हम व्हाइट को हम 2 चम्मच पोरिंग मीडियम से बना रहे हैं। सो ये व्हाइट हमारा रेडी हो गया। यहाँ पे अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेना है उसको, 1:1 इक्वल क्वांटिटी यूज करिए और आपके ऊपर है, आप उसको थोड़ा लूज भी कर सकते हो। अगर आपको ज्यादा फ्लोई चाहिए तो आप लूज भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन मेरा ये आई डोंट वांट द फ्लूइड टू गो अक्रॉस दिस थिंग, सो आई एम यूजिंग yes, you can use the fluid art kit. If you are having the fluid art kit, please use it, no issues. You can use the silicone glue is there, you can use the fluid art kit. Those who are having the fluid art kit, they can use the fluid art kit. We ordered the fluid art kit but it didn't come in time, so that's why we are creating it through our homemade kit. So those who are having the fluid art kit, you can use your fluid art kit, okay. This design has been already shared in the group, so please download the design and trace it. This is A/4 size canvas board, okay. Next, now the white color is done. Now same way we have to create the magenta and the blue. So I am having the blue color here. So अभी क्या करना है इसको, so मैंने आधा चम्मच ब्लू लिया और इसमें पोरिंग मीडियम मिला लिया। सो माई ब्लू इज ऑल्सो रेडी, ओके। सेम वे आई पुट पिंक एंड मेक द पिंक कलर ऑल्सो रेडी। सो वी आर हैविंग हियर पिंक कलर, हियर द पोरिंग मीडियम इज ऑलरेडी देयर एंड आई एम गोइंग टू पुट द पिंक कलर हियर, okay, done. So we have one red also, so we'll do the red color also. We'll prepare everything and keep ready. So red is very little we need, so white is already there, red we need very little, only for the heart. So little bit of red I have taken, and in that I'll put slightly this glue here, pouring medium, and make the red color. Okay. So let's start. Part by part we will do. Now in all this pouring medium, mix nicely. All the pouring medium mix nicely. Thank you Mamta Modi for joining. I have shared the design, and all of you please give your submission. The last date for all this submission of this article will be 14th of December. I will also mention it in the group. Tomorrow will be the last session where we are going to teach you watercolor effects in acrylic. So here it is. Abhi done. So we have taken all the three here. Now abhi isme aap thoda thoda, very little you have to put this, just 2 drops like this. You have to put the silly this one, your liquid soap. Okay, and gently stir them up. Now so it's time to pour it. Carefully you have to pour, so that whichever place, whatever color you want, that color you get, and the other place you are not able to. So the one color combination you go for the men, and one color combination you go for the lady, and one color combination you go for the, so this one. So part by part you have to do. Okay. So here it is. You can use a dropper also for pouring if you are pouring in a small area. Okay. So this is full for the lady. So this is the lady area, and then you have to take pink. Here I am going to take pink, and I am going to just pour it like this, and then take some brush. With the brush backside you can just mix them, or you can shake your board and mix the area. It will, with the liquid soap, the cells, it takes some time, so don't worry. Gently you have to push it towards the, take a brush and try to push it slightly. You can shake your board, and with the brush try to push the color towards the edge. Okay. आप ब्रश भी यूज कर सकते हो, टूथपिक भी यूज कर सकते हो, कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हो जो आपके पास कन्वीनियंट हो. ओके. सो इस टाइप का फ्लूइड आर्ट म्यूरल बहुत अच्छा लगता है. यू कैन ट्राई एंड मेक इट फॉर योर हाउस. इट लुक्स वेरी नाइस. सो लिटिल you can push, and this side we will be doing by pouring and doing, but this figure, main figure, we will use the back side of the brush or a toothpick to spread your colors. Okay. So after spreading, taking it towards the end as you want, you can. Okay. So suppose it goes on the outline, gently you can, after you finish the whole work, you can again put black color. As much as you are able to save, you save it. Okay. So try to take in all the edges towards the thing. Okay. So this way we will be completing the lady figure, and I have the lady figure here also. This leg I have finished. The lady is here, and let's check the picture. Yeah, the lady is there and we have this area of the lady. 1 minute. Yeah. So so here is this area, the lady is there. So again take white. 1 minute. Okay, so let's okay, here it is. So again slowly pour the white here and little bit is here, this area, not much, and then we have this hand of the lady. You can use a dropper also. Suppose if you want to control your pouring, you can use a dropper for pouring, but then you can also use a brush as we are doing it. So with your slowly you can now pour little bit of pink here and then little bit of pink here also and little bit of pink here also, and then start mixing it with your brush or whatever you want. See, so here it has come, just lift it. This is area for the man, we don't want there. 1 minute, let me check. Oh, this area is also for the lady. So carefully do, see that you are able to. So gently as you take, you can create the flow of the fluid however you want. Try to mix them up. Okay, gently. So take it towards the edges. Any 3D outliner you use, suppose if the color comes again, you can with black color or any color you can outline it. So that is not a issue in this. Okay, so this in the liquid soap, it takes time for the thing to come. Okay, done. Now here also we'll pour pink color. We had poured this area also, and we will be pouring red here again to create the effect. The pink here, sorry, not the red. And this area is also little bit, so I'm just lifting here. You can lift the color, too much color I have poured there. So okay, so done. Slowly it will take time for the cells to be created. In the it takes time. So in this liquid soap, it takes time. Okay. Hi Rajni, welcome. Please give a try. This is very easy and it looks very elegant. So this is fluid art mural. So all of you please give a try. It is very easy. Any design you can do. Either do this design or you can create, but the technique should be the same what I am doing it. You can use black and any color, but then I want to use black outer side, so that's why I am doing inside with white. Okay, so you can do with black and any color. Okay, so that's done. Now let's we have finished with the lady picture. Let's wash the brush and we'll finish the heart. So then we'll be left with only, let's see whether we have done any mistake here. If you have done any mistake, so please, you can lift the color. Suppose your outlines, it has covered little bit of a black outline. You can gently lift the color like this in your brush when it is wet, if you want it to be shown. Okay. Or afterwards, you can take a black paint and you can, when it totally dries up, you can put on top of that. Okay. So till the edges you have to take. So we have pulled and taken it till the edges. Suppose in the edges it has not gone, you should pull and take it. Okay. So done. Now let's do the heart here. For the heart I am having red color. So I want to use more of red for the heart and less of so if any places, suppose while working, keep a tissue and lift the colors, put some clean water and lift your colors. Okay. Suppose any place by mistake you have put some color, you can rectify it in that way. Okay. So here we are putting the red color for the heart. So this area is for the heart and this area is very small. So what I am going to do, I am going to put a drop here, that's all. And I'll pull it with the brush. Now pour white color in this. Okay. We are doing in opposite way. So more of red and less of white, so that the heart has more of red and less of white and it looks beautiful. See the cells how it is created. So that's how we are doing for the red heart. Now suppose this color little bit of it has sweep and come, immediately lift it and take a clean brush and wipe it, because this area, though we have locked it, but still you can do the locking also with M-Seal. If you have a thick M-Seal, you can do with M-Seal, or 3D is, anytime we are having 3D, so use 3D. That is easy and best way. If you have mold it, you can also create this outline with mold it. That also looks very nice. So okay. See the red color is spreading. For that reason we are lifting it up. Take clean water and try to lift the red color. So just take a brush like this and try to lift it up, because this area is very small, though we have locked it, but still the color has been swept outside the outline. So carefully lift it up like this. Immediately after the thing, you can use a brush for pouring also. Please use a brush for pouring. Okay. So that is also, or you can make a funnel and use it by a funnel. Okay. Now done. Keep a tissue and put tissue paper. Automatically the tissue paper will absorb it. Okay. Done. Now we are going to pour a white here, and this is the main part which I am going to do in white and blue. So here it is like this. Pour nicely white. Okay. Done. And this area. So now take slightly spread it out and then pour the blue on top of this. Okay. Slightly spread it out. use your brush for spreading, or you can even use a toothpick, or you can also use a thing. Done. Now take blue color and put the where you want. So here it is. We are just pouring the blue color on top of this, and done. So let's now spread the blue color. Okay, there it is. So we are going to spread it. Now wash your brush and gently spread the blue color. See here. See, automatically, if you don't want, see, automatically you can see the effect. It is spreading. If you want it that much, you can just leave it, because it will take some time. Little bit we are spreading with the brush, so that too many white patches I don't see. Automatically, after some time, you can see the cells are created. Okay. So the colors will spread and the cells will be created. So see, I can see the cells, you can see the cells are being created. I'll just lift and show you here how the cells are being created. Same way it will create. So it will take some time, and little you can help them too, because I cannot shake the board. So that's why little with your brush, you can help it to spread. Okay. So little we can help it to spread. Not much. So little will help it to spread, so that it goes till the corner. Done. Same way we will here try to pull it till here, and little will spread, and then we'll leave it, so that you get a natural look. Now the main part, the lady and the man, both we have finished now. Now so suppose if your some color it has swept and went some side where you don't want, take color with your brush and try to put wherever, whichever color you want, so that you can able to camouflage the thing where suppose you don't want that color and it has come while pouring. So you can rectify in that way. Now, so almost we have rectified. Here the blue color we will lift and put it here, because or you can take blue color in your brush and put it here, because the red color has swept and come here. So no issues in that. That's how we will be using and creating it. Okay. So this is almost done. Sides I am pulling. I want to cover all the sides, so I am covering all the sides here. Okay. The corners I am covering. I want to see that the color goes to the corner and the edge of the design. Now, so almost we have finished this. Now we will do the background. The background is very easy. You can pour, use black and pour all the leftover colors. The background I am going to do in black. I don't want white. So I will take black color and I'll mix it in this, we have this fluid here. So I'm going to just take, the solution is there. The solution what we created, and I'm going to just take black, and outside I'm going to create with black. Okay. The outside solution has to be little newspaper, and let me pour it, and then I will shake the board so that it goes everywhere uniformly. Okay. So that is the background we are creating. The background we are creating in black. So all of you please create or contrast color you should use, so that it looks nice. Let me have a newspaper here. because I'm going to shake the board, and if the colors are more, they will start sweeping and falling. Okay. So now, so this is basically what we will do. We will create a paddle dirty pour. Take a glass, alternate colors we will pour here, little bit black, because we want to finish all these leftover colors. So little bit thing, again black, and then white we are not going to put here. Again blue, again black, again pink. I am creating the dirty pour. So alternate I am giving the colors whatever I want, and I will create the pour in this, and then I will pour it. Okay. So after each color I have poured the black color. This is the dirty pour usually we will create. So, and here it is. So done. So whatever leftover color is there, I am using it in the background, but this at the base I am keeping black. I am not taking white. So same way, so that contrast you do, so it will look nice. If you do it contrast, it will look nice. Okay. So done. This has already liquid soap in that. So this we will pour and spread, and we will keep it. Now make a nozzle like this and pour on this like this. So the black with the colors also look very, very nice. So while pouring, but you should be very, very careful. See that the color doesn't go. So what we will do, here the color has come here. Let's lift it up. Try to lift it up. Though we have locked it, but the color has come here. So I will just lift it up. Yeah. And then afterwards I will try to put little pink color and make it okay. Okay. So immediately lift it up. Okay. Done. Now start spreading it with your brush, or you can even shake your board and spread. But then shaking, what happens, since your picture is very small one, while shaking it might go to the area where we don't want. So for that reason, what we will do, we will not shake the board. Since the board is very small, see, and if too much you will shake, it will go to the area, to the main picture. So for that reason, we will not shake the board. We will just take the brush and we will try to push the color. Okay. So this color has come here. So try to lift it, and we will try to, after some time we will try to put the blue color, and we will, blue and white, and we will, the white we have still saved. So we'll put the blue and white, and we will, okay. So the background, I wanted black. So because the black with the, it will look nice contrast. So that's why I have kept black with the leftover colors what we had. We have put in this. Okay. See. So this also will take some time for the cells to be created. So automatically just wait and see. And after 2 hours you can see your project. So all the cells will be created, and you can understand that how does the this liquid soap acts for cell creation. Okay. So we are just spreading it out. Done. Now here also we have done it. So take it like this. Carefully all the area. Here also we will take like this little bit. Done. Okay. Now take it towards inside, towards the edge here. And afterwards, where suppose the color has come, as I told you, please lift it up with your brush and then pour that particular color there and try to camouflage it. Okay, done. Correcting our this area. Already the blue color is there down, so no issues in that. That's why we have created the thing there so that it doesn't overflow. Okay, done here. Now pour white here and then little bit of pink, and you can rectify it. Little bit where blue is there you put blue, and where thing is there you put that color and you rectify it. Okay, done. So let's take blue here. So we will take blue here and then try to done. Okay, now same, let's take the pink here and try to rectify it. So same way we will be doing it. Done. So now so while shaking too much, it has come, it has crossed the outline and come. So no issues in that. We will pour it and make it okay. Okay. So let's take this color here and put little bit here. Let's take this blue here and put here. So you can lift it and do it. Done. So let's take now. Whatever leftover color is there, we are just going to lift it and pour it here and there, so that you can take the colors like this and you can just tap it like this and leave it. So some place just with your brush you can take and you can leave it like this in the background area, leftover colors. Okay, so we have here. Now wash your brush, wipe it nicely, take again and pour here the leftover blue color, so that the galaxy like effect will be created in the background. Okay, so we will just pour it nicely and let it to or you can put little bit of pouring medium in this. So little bit of pouring medium is left, so we can use the pouring medium also little bit, or the white color. Let's check the pouring medium here. Yeah, the white color is here, the pouring medium. So slightly water we will take, little bit of water, clean water, and we will pour it. If you want, we can pour it like that also. So leftover black is there, white is there now. Okay, so let's take very little water here, might be 2 drops of water, one little bit water, and we'll pour it. So little bit liquid, if you want you can do that also, so that the leftover colors in the brush can be used nicely, and you can pour it wherever you want. See, okay, so done. So you can do it now. Same way we will take here, we have already taken the pink color here. Wash your brush and take little pink color if you want, magenta pink. This is turned to little bit blue, so I'll take little bit of pink color. So that's all, we have finished, I hope. So little bit of pink color I am taking here and mixing it nicely, and might be a little bit of liquid soap, mixing it nicely and pouring it some here and there, so that we get since it is blue, so it has come to purple color, so no issues in that. So just break the bubbles. If you are getting any bubbles, break them up. So because of the liquid soap, when you mix you get bubbles, so just break up the bubbles. Okay, same way. So break up the bubbles wherever you want, and now you are done. So you can see so if you don't want it like a dot, you can slightly merge the dot, slightly you can merge it up, not much, and then leave it so that it looks more nice. Because I don't want it like a dot, I just want to have it nicely like a thing. So I am going to put it, okay. So we will just tap it and do it. Done. So that's all for today's session. Your fluid art mural is done. I will post this picture in the group. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. You can have a look. I am turning it towards the thing. So once again, after the whole thing dry up, we can do a black outline to distinct our feature, our picture. Okay. So I hope all of you will give a try and do make the article and submit. So that's how the fluid and those who are having the fluid art kit, you can use the kit. You can use the fluid art kit and make. Okay. If you have any doubt and any clarification, please let me know. I would like to wind, before taking this session, we would like to wind up. Okay, bye-bye, take care and do complete and give your submission. Bye-bye, take care. This is Mamta Gupta, the owner and founder of Mamta Creations, signing out.